Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to customize our code line editor page. Okay, so first of all let's go to any code. To go to the code line editor, which I will call QLE, we will click on the edit lines. So this is our QLE page. If I want to customize this page, like modify some fields, like if I want this quantity field to be visible after this, and also I want to add a new field in between them. So how to proceed? So for that, first of all, you have to click on the gear icon and we will go to the back end. Clicking on setup, you will go to a object manager and will select the object for the code line. In the quick find, we will search for code line, the object manager, which is our object, which is storing the records for the code lines. Now, as like we have the fields on an object. Similarly, we have a thing called field sets. Okay, so in the field sets, which field set we need to use for this customization? We need to use a field set called line editor. Going to the line editor field set, you can easily see a list of fields which are part of this field set, and you can see these fields here. Now you can simply reorder it. Like if I want the name field to be come before this product code, so this is the way. And also we can add some new fields here. Suppose I want to add this billing type in between this. So this is done. Clicking on save, refreshing here, you will see the changes. Here you can see it is customized. So this is just a beginning of our CPQ specialist course, and you will learn so many things like this in the upcoming tutorials. Like in the previous video, I have shown how can we filter on the ad product page, and making our sales rep mandatory to filter to select the products from a particular filter only. Like this add product action, I have applied a filter which will filter on the basis of only product family, where the product family is hardware. So you can check that video as well. You will get the link in the description for that. So in the next video, we will learn a more detail about products and what are product options, features, what is a product bundle. Like what is a product bundle? In just a brief overview, a product bundle, we have a parent product and some products which are associated with it. Like we have some accessories and components which are always need to be purchased with a particular product. So this is a brief intro about that. So stay tuned for the next videos.